Hello and welcome to Run Tidbits with Natalie. Today we're going to talk about cam straps. Do you ever just get a pile of cam straps that are just flying everywhere and wonder what to do with them? You can put them in this nice tiny little bundle and then they stack really nicely. It's called rolling them. This is a solution. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It seems like everyone always mixes up the direction they should do it. For instance, we tried to film this video with the entire team. And what we got was a wonderful round of bloopers, which we will post as another video. Make sure to click the link at the end of this video to watch our bloopers. There's one little trick I'm going to show you. So you can do this with any length. I'm showing you with a short one so that it will go faster. You put the little tail through this part right here. You want to make sure that you leave enough tail to have some tail coming out. This one's kind of long, so it could have been shorter, but enough to go around the whole thing as well. So I want to have about that much for this length of one. And then I'm going to put the buckle with the side you push towards myself. Then I'm going to fold it in half and roll it on down. And pull it through. Pull this tight. This tail now wraps around the outside and back through the cam. There you go.